As of February 15, 2025, XRP is trading at approximately $2.81. XRP, $2.81. Market analysts suggest that the approval of an XRP ETF could attract substantial institutional investments, potentially boosting XRP's market value. Price predictions. Analysts have provided varied forecasts for XRP's price in 2025. FX Empire notes that if the SEC approves an XRP spot ETF, XRP could surpass its all-time high of $3.55, with potential to reach $5, driven by institutional inflows. Barron's reports that some experts anticipate XRP reaching between $5 and $7 in the first half of 2025. Investment considerations. The potential approval of an XRP ETF could enhance liquidity and attract institutional investors, possibly leading to price appreciation. However, investing in XRP carries inherent risks, including regulatory uncertainties and market volatility. It's essential to conduct thorough research and consider your risk tolerance before making investment decisions, contingent on regulatory developments and market adoption.